In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports for client outcomes in Practice Better. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your reports and which ones to use to understand progress, operations, and engagement in your practice. Start by heading to My Practice, then select Reports. If you prefer shortcuts, you can click the Reports button right from your dashboard. This brings you to your central hub for reporting, where everything is organized so you can quickly find what you need. From here, choose the type of report that best matches the outcome you want to measure. If you're tracking clinical progress, the Form Response Summary is a great place to start. This report gathers clients' answers to your forms and shows how those responses change over time. It's especially helpful for comparing initial intakes to follow-ups and spotting trends, like improvements in symptoms or consistency with habits. Use it to anchor your client conversations in objective data and to tailor your next steps with confidence. If you're focused on the operational side of your practice, open the scheduling and billing reports. These include session history, payments, and cancellations. They help you see how often clients attend, where cancellations may be affecting outcomes, and how revenue flows across your calendar. Reviewing this data regularly can highlight bottlenecks, show which services are most utilized, and inform decisions about availability or packaging. If you run programs, make use of the program-based reports. These show enrollment status, resource completion, and engagement. They're ideal for understanding where clients are active, which materials they're completing, and how engaged they are throughout the program timeline. By monitoring these insights, you can identify points where participants might need additional nudges or support and ensure your curriculum is set up for successful completion. Once you open any report, you can view it and track changes at any time. Revisit the same report periodically to see how metrics shift and to keep your outcomes dashboard current. A simple habit of checking the same few reports each week or month will give you a clear picture of client progress and practice performance without extra effort. That's all there is to it. Go to My Practice and open Reports, pick the report type that matches your goal, Form Response Summary, Scheduling and Billing, or Program-based, and use what you see to guide your client care and business decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.